Hi everyone, welcome to Discover Natural. Today we are going to talk about how to make Ambunu Hair Oil. Let's do it. So if you want to learn more about Ambunu, I have a full playlist on different hair recipes that you can make with Ambunu. Ambunu is a hair herb from Chad and it has so many benefits. This is my coconut oil and I want to heat up some water. So I just put some water in a container and I'm going to melt my coconut oil. So after melting my coconut oil for a little while, I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of Ambunu herbs. Ambunu herbs can be used to detangle your hair, to cleanse your hair and your scalp, and also to strengthen your hair. The purpose of this oil is to help strengthen your hair and also to help with dandruff. Once you add that into the coconut oil, you can use almond oil, sweet almond oil. You can use other oils that you like grapeseed oil, other oils that, some people don't like coconut oil because they feel like coconut oil will clog the pores, but this works for me. But you can use any other light penetrating oils. So now you're going to mix the Ambunu with the coconut oil. Make sure everything is melted in there really well. You can find this Ambunu herb on our Amazon shop, so use that link, go to our Amazon shop, and then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let this sit overnight. You can let it sit for 8 hours, but overnight is good for me, which is 8 hours. So the next day, this is what it looks like. You could let it sit for 24 hours, but 8 hours is very much enough. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drain off or strain off the seeds, or I keep on saying seeds, the herbs. So this is what it looks like. When you strain it out, you want to make sure that you strain it to the very end and just don't use the oil. I want you to squeeze the leaves and the oil together to get the best juices in there. We're going to be using jojoba seed oil. Jojoba seed oil is a very good oil for your scalp health. It helps you if you have dandruff, eczema, and all these scalp issues. I also find that Ambunu helps you a lot with dandruff. That's why I'm loving it. So this is what it looks like. This is kind of like the cold method. Now let's do the heated method, and this method you can use right away immediately after using it. This time I'm using olive oil. So I took about half a cup of olive oil, or 4 ounces of olive oil, and I'm adding in my 1 tablespoon of Ambunu. So in both cases, I'm using 4 ounces of oil each time. I'm gonna heat up this oil, and as I'm heating up the oil, I'm mixing it really well so that it doesn't stick to the pan or to the pot that you're using. So mix it really well, and as you're cooking it, it's gonna turn a darkish, kind of like a darkish color. This is when it turns this dark crispy color, that's when you know that you are done cooking it. Overall, it's about 3 to 5 minutes, not really long. So now we're gonna strain it off, and this time I'm using my strainer and I'm not using a pantyhose or any netted thing. So you strain it off and you can see how dark the herbs are. Actually, you could eat the herbs, but I don't. But okay, so now I'm just straining and I'm putting it into my glass container. I like using dark bottles, and if you want to see links to where I find this, check my Amazon store. And I'm adding jojoba seed oil again. You could also add peppermint oil, neem oil, or any other oils in here, castor oil. This oil is really, really good, and it's really good because it penetrates into your scalp, and this is how I use it. So what I do is that I'll massage it into my scalp very, very well, and I usually do this before I wash my hair. You could do it the night before, which is the best way to do it because overnight your scalp is doing what it has to do. But this time I did it after I finished working out. So I'm massaging the oils into my scalp, and then I'm going to massage for 5 minutes. Okay, so massage it, get the blood circulating, and then I'm going to leave it in my hair this time for 15 minutes before I wash it off. This oil, you don't want to like keep it in your hair for a long time. You do want to wash it off. So this is the best way I find to use it. And if you like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.